Hi everyone, Miss Bina here. So, in our last video we talked about ways to store food when you bring it home so that it doesn't go to waste. Today we are going to be on the same theme a little bit, but we're going to talk about how to eat all the parts of the plant that are edible so that we don't waste anything. And because, as you might remember, we had some Brussels sprouts growing in the garden, we are actually going to harvest the entire Brussels sprouts and eat as much of it as we possibly can. That means from what they call from leaf to root. It's actually a little bit of a eating all of the edible parts possible on your plant. So on a Brussels sprout, you can eat not only the Brussels sprout, which of course is what we usually see in the store, but the leaves and even the inside of the stalk. So today we're going to do a little experiment and we are going to take apart and cook up a whole entire Brussels sprouts. So as you know, there are many plants that you can do this with, and at the end of this video I'm gonna provide a little list of parts of plants that we don't usually think of eating. For example, did you know that you could eat the tops of carrots, the green part? So we'll provide a little list there, and while we're talking about that, let's also remember that some plants you have to be careful with. For example, all the plants in the nightshade family, they have some leaves that are toxic to eat. So you must be really careful about what you eat, but we're going to provide a little list for you. So that should make it easier. Anyways, we're gonna start off by taking apart the Brussels sprout plant, and Ovid and Nala are going to be our helpers today. So let's go see how it goes.
I'm Nala.
And I'm Ovid. We got a Brussels sprout eating hats here.
And we're gonna eat this whole Brussels sprout. Have a song in your head, sing it. You can wing it. Work is always funny when you can sing it. So all we gotta do now is give it a final wash and then cut off the root.
Now we're
Now
gonna
we're gonna wash it and bake it. Pretty good.
What's it taste like?
It's hard to explain. It's like bit salty since you put salt on it, and it's got it kind of tastes like an artichoke heart. What I imagine an artichoke heart would taste like.
Okay.
Smells kind of Brussels sprouty. I'm gonna taste it. A little chewy. Taste if you mixed let's say artichoke with Brussels sprout.
All right. Delicious.